help me welcome Dhananjay Singh with his book Advanced Electronics for Young Robot Builders. Please help me welcome Dhananjay Singh.
Please give a big round of applause for Dhananjay Singh ji.
Okay, thank you so much, Fatah sir, for providing us this opportunity. So I would like to start with a message from UNICEF. And UNICEF says that by 2030, India will have 50% of the youth population which will have unemployable skill. So I want to say that we are going to change that. Kids cannot learn robotics and coding. Many think that, but kids are already proving those critics wrong. It is said that in electronics and in technology, hardware is hard. So we are going to change that as well. Hi, my name is Dhananjay Singh and I'm founder of Robopreneur. We are into robotics training and we are dedicated to transforming kids into robotics entrepreneurs, and we are on a mission to transform 1 billion children into robotics genius by 2030. So I started my robotics initiative. It was a challenging journey 6 years back, and as being a technologist for 2 decades, my initial approach was to build a digital platform and use that to train children. But over the time, I realized that digital platform is not the right way for children to learn, because digital platforms, like YouTube, and there are various video-based content. What happens is that they are loaded with distractions, and they become cumbersome, and it is difficult to navigate those flows. And also, digital platforms will lack depth. So now to become a robotics entrepreneur or to become a robotics genius, it requires depth in the foundation, in the technology, and digital platform will lack that. So that gave an inspiration for me to write books on robotics. So when I started looking in the market, I was surprised to find that there was not even a single book on robotics available for young children in India. So I wrote my first book last year, and it was launched in 2023, August. The name is Robot Electronics for Young Builders. And I've already sold 450 copies with minimal marketing. And now that book is designed for 8-year-old, and I get the feedback, and there is a child whose age is 8 years, and he's finished that entire book, which is 300 pages, in 1 month time, and he says that you can ask me any concept from the entire book, and I can answer you. He's just 8-year-old. Now, today I'm proud to present my second book in the robotics series, and it's the second book in the beginner robotics series, which is Advanced Electronics for Young Robot Builders. Now, I'm very happy and very glad to be able to complete this book, and I'm really thankful to the universe for giving me this tool, which is going to be there for the children, which children can utilize this. This book has been written in a very simplified way. This has 20 projects, and children can take this, and this is designed for 9 years and above. Not only children, this book will be useful for even engineering students, because when I was doing my engineering in first year, when I had to do one electronics course, the kind of books which we got, it was very difficult to navigate. And I have simplified even complex topics like transistors, ICs, decade counters, 7-segment displays in a very simple way that even children can do it by themselves. And actually in our center, they're already doing it, and they're already proving the critics wrong. And that thinking that children cannot learn technology is an outdated belief. Now with this book in hand, the youth will not only become employable, but they will generate employment. So this book is contains like 20 projects. This is a big book, and for me, it was like a impossible book because my education is in mechanical engineering, and I have spent like about 2 decades, more than 2 decades in IT. So I'm very good in IT, I believe so, but electronics was something which was not expert at. But over the time, since last about 10 years, I have learned, picked it up. So this was an impossible book, especially because how do you simplify the concept for young children, taking a complicated concept, and how do you simplify that? So with this resource in hand, children will be able to learn and understand. And I believe that this is actually a watershed moment for our country, because this book is going to make the foundation for robotics and hardware in our country, to make our country the superpower in these technologies. So now this book is the second book, and more to come. And my plan is to create entire book on robotics series, which will be like total 9 books, even more. So I'm already working on my third book. So with that, I'm actually really grateful to the God, to universe, for giving me this opportunity to bring this book in the hands of the youth of this country. And I'm very thankful to my gurus, Dev sir, Pata sir, my family members, my parents, for guiding me, for always supporting me, and always trusting me. So thank you so much.